Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 boys, they are 10 and 7. When I first heard about the Thermomix, it was 20 years ago from my hairstylist. And then a couple of years from there, when we relocated to Shanghai, I hear about the Thermomix again. The latest was last year. My very good friend actually posted on social media and said that she bought something which is her lifesaver. And so I was like, what did she buy, that made her really rave about it, because she's somebody that doesn't really buy gadgets. And then my husband probed further and he was like, oh, my friend bought Thermomix. I was like, huh? You mean she really buy Thermomix? And then after that, not too long later, she called me up for a demo. My husband was there to stop me from buying, so I was like, okay, I can only think about it. I cannot even say okay. But after watching the demo, and we were all blown away, my husband just immediately stood up with the zhimahu still in the hand, walked over to the advisor's folder there and self-service and took a sales order from his own and asked me to fill it in. My husband was the first to explore different dishes from using the Thermomix. He was experimenting the Keto Cheesecake and also the beef Rendang. So actually these two items, these 2 dishes were actually, I would never dream of making it myself. I'd rather just go outside and buy or just eat outside. But owning a Thermomix has really spurred us to experiment these dishes.